While most traders chase signals, smart money is already moving the market. They quietly move the price from one phase to the next, and that is exactly what the Wyckoff logic reveals. It explains how major players quietly guide market money from one phase to the next. The Wyckoff logic shows a basic cycle that often repeats itself, and once you know it, you can spot when strong buyers are loading up before a big move happens. This logic breaks the market into four phases: accumulation, markup, distribution, and markdown. Accumulation usually happens after a big correction. The price moves sideways while experienced traders quietly buy from scared sellers who are giving up. Then the markup phase begins. The price starts climbing as more traders notice the trend and jump in with growing confidence. Next comes distribution. The price often moves sideways near the top while strong holders slowly sell to late buyers who think the rise will continue forever. After that, the markdown phase begins. The price falls as bears take over, trapping those who bought way too late. What I have shown so far is the basic idea behind the Wyckoff logic. The full concept also includes advanced patterns, volume behavior, and market structure dynamics. Let me give you a quick example of how experienced Wyckoff traders apply this idea in real-life trading. They watch for key signals such as spring tests, upthrusts, and sudden volume spikes to identify when accumulation or distribution is nearing completion. These clues help them spot early trend reversals before the majority even notice. And don't forget, this Wyckoff logic plays out on every time frame, from 1-minute charts to weekly structures. This cycle repeats even on lower time frames. For example, on a 5-minute Bitcoin chart, price often moves sideways in a range, then drops sharply to shake out traders, before reversing and breaking out in a new move up. Here is some free advice. Use the lower time frame to time entries, but always confirm the phase on the higher time frame so you can make better decisions. Once you understand this repeating cycle, you will start to see market behavior much more clearly. If you can recognize accumulation early, you give yourself a better chance to enter before the strong move begins. Now tell me, which Wyckoff phase do you think is the easiest to recognize? Comment your thoughts below. Subscribe, like and hit the notification bell, because I post 2 new tutorials like this every week. And follow me on X for daily free crypto news updates. Thanks for watching and stay tuned, because in my next tutorial, I will share more ways to master crypto trading like a pro.